Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro device. In this video I want to show you how to enable one-handed mode. First, let's open Settings application on your device. Now let's scroll down to Accessibility and Convenience, and from here you want to find one-handed mode. Let's enable it. And if you want to use your one-handed mode, all you're gonna do is swipe down from the bottom like this to activate one-handed mode. Additionally, to exit, all you're gonna do is tap this arrow at the top to exit this one-handed mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.